Hi, this is Dave with Scott Equipment with another Scott Equipment Pro Tip. Today we're going to cover JVL servo motors and how easy it is to program simple I/O with the MacTalk software with their interchangeable integrated drives. I'm on the main screen right now. The first thing you do is you select a motor and a module. I've selected a Mac 1200 with a Mac B42 module. It's probably one of the easiest to use. Set it to factory settings. You can always come back and change the things on the main screen, but what your actual work is in the EPLC program. So we'll go right there. Endless relative is for a conveyor or continual move in one direction, doesn't care about position. 95% of what we do is relative plus absolute. It's a sequential operation like any ladder logic, and we'll start here. Click on one of the boxes. We'll set our operational mode. I would suggest using passive, that's motor off, and if the motor has a brake, the brake goes on. Then we're going to wait for an input from a button or a PLC, and that would be a conditional jump. And here I want a single input, high, from input 1. When that happens, it's going to ask me what to do, where to jump to. And I'm going to take it down to here for now. But we want it to continually check for this input. So we're going to do an unconditional jump and then jump back up to set mode passive. This will continually monitor for this condition. Now to get to the move, we'll set our operational mode to velocity. Then we'll do the actual move in setting a register. It's already set to velocity. We're going to want to go 1000 RPM in one direction. We want it to run for, let's say, 5 seconds. And then we want it to run in the opposite direction. So we'll set another register. Only this time, it'll be minus 1000 RPM. We want it to run for another 5 seconds in that direction. And then we want it to go and shut the motor off. So we'll do an unconditional jump all the way back up, set the arrow to set mode passive. And that's all there is to programming with simple I/O with a JVL servo motor. If the motor's running in the wrong direction, you can go down to the bottom and invert motor selection. There's a lot of other settings and a lot of other things you can do with this, but that's the simplest way to get the motor running to start with. Thanks, and next time we'll cover Rockwell automation with Allen Bradley PLCs and Ethernet IP, how to program it with control logics or compact logics. Thank you.